Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Accounts Accuracy, and let's study issue of debenture with terms of redemption. That means at the time of issue only you get to know that what would be the condition of redemption. Now you might be thinking, what is redemption? Redemption is basically the amount which is paid back to the debenture holder, the principal value of the debenture. At the time of issue, suppose a debenture has been issued for rupees 1000 and this 1000 rupees stays with the company for 10 years. Then after the completion of this 10 years, the company pays back the entire 1000 rupees, the principal value, to its debenture holder. And this debenture holder gets at the completion of 10 years, because the issue of debenture was made for 10 years. It can be for 12 years, it can be for 15 years, but after the completion of the duration for which the company issues debenture to its debenture holders, the redemption is done and the principal value of the debenture is paid back to the debenture holder. Now these are the following terms of redemption of debenture. That means at the time of issue only the terms of redemptions are declared to its debenture holder. Now issue of debenture is also done at par and redemption will also be done at par. Then that is very simple because it is just normal case. That means 1000 rupees debenture is issued with the term of redemption at rupees 1000 only. That means here there is no difference between the amount of issue and par. That means at the time of issue, the debenture holder paid 1000 rupees to the company and company will pay back to its debenture holder at the time of redemption just 1000 rupees. The second condition could be, situation could be issue at discount. That means suppose if the debenture has been issued at 900 rupees, even though the cost price of debenture is rupees 1000, but it is issued at 900, so 100 rupees is the discount here. Then if it is issued at discount but redeemed at rupees 1000, that means at par. So here the situation is the debenture issued at 900 but is going to be redeemed at par. So there will be loss for the company of rupees 100. The third situation could be issue at premium. Now suppose if the debenture cost is 1000 but it is issued at 1100, that means rupees 100 is the securities premium reserve here. Company issued the debenture at a profit of 100 rupees but redeemable at par itself. That means 1000 rupees only. The fourth situation could be issued at par but redeemed at premium. That means the cost price of debenture is 1000 and it is issued at 1000 only, but it's going to be redeemed at certain premiums. That is, suppose rupees 100. Rupees 100 is the premium here. So that means company is going to redeem its debenture, pay back to its debenture holder after the completion of suppose 10 years. That is rupees 1100. So here what we are noticing, company issued at par but redeemed at premium. The fifth condition can be the company issues debenture at 900, that means at a loss of rupees 100. This is the discount which company allowed, but it's going to be redeemed at premium. So here what we are noticing, the company is going to issue the debenture at a premium of rupees 100 but it was issued at loss of rupees 100. So total loss which company will suffer will be rupees 200. 100 plus 100, 200. The sixth condition could be company issues debenture at premium. That means suppose the company issues at rupees 1100 but company is going to redeem it also at premium. So this could also be the company's policy, redeem at premium. So it may be at 1100. So these all are the situations in which company issues debenture with the terms of redemption. I hope you might have understood a bit. Let's discuss sums for it. We are going to discuss this first situation where the company has issued the debenture at par and redeemed also at par. Shyam Limited issued 40,000 6% debenture at rupees 100 payable on application and redeemable at par any time after 5 years. So the company is going to redeem its debenture after 5 years. So at the time of issue, what will be the journal which company will pass in its books of accounts is this: bank account to debenture application and allotment account. That means company has received the debenture value with the application money. So 40,000 debenture at rupees 100 each. So 40,000 into 100, it will be 40 lakh. Again, the company is going to redeem it at par. So there will be no problem. Company will simply transfer the entire 40 lakh in its debenture account. So debenture application account to debenture account. 6% you need to write as it is the percent attached with the debenture. So 6% debenture account. Now let's discuss the second point, that is issued at discount, redeemed at par. So here you can see issued at discount and redeemed at par. Sum is given that Radha Limited issued 40,000 debenture of rupees 50 each at a discount of 8%. So 8% of rupees 50, that is of rupees 50, will be equal to what? 50 into 8 by 100. So it will be 4 rupees. So here what we are going to write? 4 rupees is the discount value. Now 50 rupees is the debenture value, and as we calculated that rupees 4 is the discount value, so our debenture will be issued at rupees 46. Now per debenture cost will be 46. So the amount which will be received at the time of issue will be 40,000. That means 40,000 debenture into rupees 46. So it will be 18 lakh 40,000. Bank account will be debited with 18 lakh 40,000 at the time of issue of debenture. And the journal will be bank account to debenture application and allotment account 18 lakh 40,000. Now as we have seen here that rupees 4 is the discount at which the company has issued the debenture. So this 4 rupees will become the discount on issue of debenture, which will be loss for the company, and it should be debited while transferring the value to debenture account. So for transfer, the entry will be debenture application and allotment account 18 lakh 40,000. Discount on issue of debenture 40,000 into rupees 4, that is 1 lakh 60,000. Again, as you know that in debenture account we always multiply the debenture value with the nominal value of the debenture, and here the nominal value of the debenture is rupees 50. So it will be 40,000 into rupees 50 and the amount will be credited as 20 lakh. As we have done situation first and second, let's discuss the sum related to third situation where the issue is done at premium and redemption is done at par. This is the same sum with the situation in which issue done at premium and redemption done at par. Here you can see that issue has been done at premium but redemption at par. Now here what we are noticing that Surya Limited is going to issue the debenture at 4 lakh. That means how much debenture? 4,000 debenture at rupees 100 each. Now, as Surya Limited is going to issue 4 lakh debenture at a premium of rupees 5, that means it will be issued at 105 as it's been issued at a premium of 5%. So we can see here bank account will be debited with 4,000 into rupees 105 and the amount which will be debited will be 4,20,000. So company will receive this amount at the time of application and allotment. So bank account will be debited with 4,20,000 and debenture and application and allotment account will be credited with 4,20,000. And the transfer entry will be debenture application and allotment account to 6% debenture to securities premium reserve account. As 20,000, that means 4,000 into rupees 5, that is 20,000 is the amount of premium which company received at the time of issue. So that will be credited because all incomes and gains should be credited. So here this should be credited, and the debenture account, you know that it is always multiplied with the nominal value. So that is 100 rupees. So 4,000 into 100, that is 4 lakh. Now let's do fourth situation, that is issued at par and redeemed at premium. Now here the company is going to issue the debenture at rupees 100 but will redeem at 10% premium, that is 110. It will be redeemed at 110. So company knows in advance that rupees 10 will be loss for the company as it's going to be redeemed at 10% premium. So this money 10 rupees hasn't been received at the time of issue of debenture, but it will be returned to the debenture holder at the time of redemption, extra value. So this, as company knows in advance, so company will definitely enter it into the books of accounts. At the time of issue, the entry will be bank account debit with 4 lakh, that is 4,000 into rupees 100. So this 4,000 into 100, that is 4 lakh, will be debited as company received this value from the debenture holders at the time of issue. This money will be transferred to debenture account and the entry will be debenture application and allotment account. This 4 lakh will be debited here and the loss will also be shown because company knows this in advance that 10 rupees extra will be paid at the time of redemption. So this should be written as loss on issue of debenture 4,000 into rupees 10. It will be loss for the company and company will definitely mention it in the books of accounts as loss on issue of debenture because company knows in advance that this value is not received but it is going to be paid at the time of redemption. Now debenture will definitely be credited with 4,000 into rupees 100 because 100 rupees is the nominal value, so that will be 4 lakh, and premium on redemption of debenture will be 4,000 into rupees 10. Securities premium value is given over here 10%. So what we are noticing, the securities premium reserve will be credited as premium on redemption of debenture and the same value will be debited as loss on issue of debenture, and your debit value, that is 4,40,000, is equal to the credit value 4,40,000. So whenever you are doing this kind of sum, must remember your debit and credit total should always be equal, else the sum will be wrong. Now come to the fifth situation, that is issued at discount and redeemed at premium. Surya Limited issued 2 lakh debenture of rupees 100 each to its creditor at a discount of 2%, that is rupees 2. Issue of debenture will be rupees 100 minus rupees 2, that is equal to rupees 98. Fine. So what we will debit the bank account with? 2,000 into rupees 98 because the issued value which is given is 2 lakh divided by 100, that is 2,000 is the amount of debenture which has been issued. So 2,000 into rupees 98 will come out as 1,96,000. This much money will only be received by the company because company has not issued at par but company issued it at discount, and the debenture application and allotment account will also be credited with 1,96,000. Now at the time of transfer, what company will do? Company will also show the loss as loss on issue of debenture because it's loss for the company as company is going to suffer loss of 2 rupees. Now this discount will now while transferring, the company will debit debenture application allotment account with 1,96,000 and company will show the discount on issue of debenture of rupees 2 as 2,000 into 2, that is 4,000. After that, company will also show the securities premium reserve of rupees 5 because company is going to redeem it at rupees 5% of 100, that is rupees 5. So this 5 rupees will be premium on redemption of debenture, that is 2,000 into rupees 5, that is 10,000. At the time of issue only, company knows this that this redemption will be loss for the company. So this loss on issue of debenture will also be debited. All the losses should be debited. So this will be debited with 5 rupees, that is 2000 into rupees 5, and debenture will be multiplied with the nominal value, that is 2000 into rupees 100, that is 2 lakh will be the debenture cost. So that's all for today. You must watch my next video to understand the rest of the sums related to redemption of debenture. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the big fat like button because it motivates me to make some more videos for you. And do share it with your friends as much as you can.